Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechKG. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can keep product search on your home screen. See, this is on my Android mobile. Okay, right on the home screen, I'll keep the product search. It is very simple. First, you need to press and hold on your home screen for few seconds. So I'll do that, and you will see a lot of options like wallpapers, icons, and widgets. You need to click on widgets, and this process is similar for any Android mobile. Just give a long press and you'll see widgets option. Click on the widgets and try to reach Google here. I assuming Google app is already available on your mobile. If you have Google app installed, you'll see this option. So I'll be just dragging this and dropping it here. So this is how you can keep Google search bar on home screen. But as I said how to keep product search, but now I'm showing how to keep Google here. If you can observe, maybe I can just change the color here. Yeah, see here, there is a camera symbol here, right? Say for example, this is the sink drainer. So you don't know how to search this product, and this is self-adhesive wall hook or any body lotion or something. When you see a product in your relative house or somewhere, when you go to a shop or something like that, if you want to search that, now we have kept Google, right? So you need to click on this camera symbol, which is Google Lens actually. Now what I'll do is I'll try to capture this. Okay, I'll try to just capture this. So when I capture this, automatically this gives the results from Amazon, Meesho, and Flipkart, etc. Okay, and here all exact matches products you can search, means you're filtering only products. Now say for example any of the link you can just open. So when you click on this will directly open that particular, you can just click on buy. Not only that, as I said, how you can keep product search on home screen, you can just click on this, and now I'll try to capture this one. I'll keep this aside. I'll be just clicking this picture. As soon as I do that, and I'll be filtering this products option, and see here Meesho, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. and just I can visit, and here you can purchase or get to know more details about this. In this way, like any product, whether it may be sari or a laptop or whatever it may be, you can just search with this product search using Google Lens, and further you can just keep it on home screen with using the widgets and Google and dragging it and dropping it here, and that's it. If you feel this video tutorial, please do hit a like. That would be really helpful for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.